guys, Mark here. Today I'm gonna have a very fun video about working on this Type R. I'm also gonna be working on my boy Shane's Type R. I pretty much just got off work right now and heading straight to his house. Luckily his house is literally like 5 minutes away, so I'm just gonna do that. And yeah, we're gonna be installing some gurney flaps, and Shane just got his MUGEN tails, so pretty excited to see how it is. It might motivate me to buy some for myself, to be honest with you, because I always wanted the MUGEN tails too. But I'm very happy for him. It's a big purchase for him, and he's gonna do the whole MUGEN kit one by one, because if you guys know, that shit is so fucking expensive. So I mean, it is what it is. I'm pretty excited. But before we get this video started, if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, as well as give this video a thumbs up if you guys end up liking this video. I greatly appreciate it. On my way to almost like 2,000 subscribers. I think we are hitting 1,700. Pretty crazy growth, and I just can't thank you guys enough. Even if I'm not as active, all the love and the support is always still there. I still get all these messages and spam from all you guys, and I try to literally respond to any one of you, so don't hesitate to message me. I'll leave my Instagrams and social media down below. And yeah, let's have a great day, guys. Start this video right now. Here at my boy Shane's house. I don't know what he's doing. Sam, what is that?
Barbecue.
What the fuck? Is that the new mod for the for the Type R, bro?
Just this right here.
It's the MUGEN kit. See, one of the pros of having a Type R is literally the fucking space you got. So looking at his boxes right here, sheesh, I'm actually excited to see this myself. Damn, I don't even want to take it out the plastic yet, but if you guys know MUGEN tails, how fucking expensive they are, because this guy's fucking rich. I'm not rich. And then we got the gurney flap right here from RobinHood Design. So me and Shane decided to get this one because we wanted to match, because you know, Eskimo bros. But these were the best ones that we actually agreed upon. So we're gonna install that today for his car, and I have it on mine as well. And I really want to get the MUGEN, but I'm happy for him. We're gonna install it to him for his Type R today, even though his Type R literally never gets any loving because it's always so dirty. But probably gonna give a motivation to actually clean this thing, because like compared to mine, this dude's car is always so fucking dirty. I don't know why. Like, I mean, it doesn't look dirty in the video, but working with him all the time, it's always like it's always, and I mean always, dirty. Just letting you know. You guys could probably see me, but yeah. So we're gonna get this video started. I think we're gonna start either with a gurney flap, or we're probably gonna start off with the MUGEN tails. I think it's easier to just check out the tails first, so we'll probably start on that. I don't know. So we'll start off just pretty much unscrewing all these screws, and I think 2 up here. And what is that, like a 6 or 7?
It's an 8.
Oh, it's an 8
mm.
So small. It shouldn't even be too hard. We're just gonna pop it open and then just unplug, and everything is just plug and play. So when you yank it out, when you remove the 2 bolts, you're just gonna pull it to the right. You're gonna hear some popping noise because there's two things right here that's gonna be into it. You're just gonna pry it open. And once that's out, you just gotta unplug everything. But we're just gonna leave it here for now while he takes out the MUGEN tails off the box, because you know, sheesh, if you can focus. It's like a motherboard. It's like a feeling, bro.
I don't even know if I should resell it.
Nah, just keep it, just in case. You never know. So took out the stocks. He's gonna put it in the MUGEN box and just return it, try to get his money back.
Yeah, you sent me the wrong shit.
You sent me stocks. You didn't send me MUGEN.
Yeah, we didn't even know Check.
But now we're just gonna try to figure out putting this here. So hopefully,
Fully unwrap this and get our fingerprints all over it.
right. We're gonna put some brand new taillights on a non-washed car. You know, this is what we do. So once we connect that, you're gonna push this in, just so it already has its own, because or else you're not gonna have clearance to put the whole thing in. So putting that in. Here, I'll hold it. Yeah, I'll take care of it. I'll take care of the baby, the expensive ass fucking baby. So once that's on, we're gonna test, make sure it's on to see. You turn on the press the brake. No, I think it's off. Hold on. Hold on. Try now. Yeah, it's lighting up now. Hold on. It's kind of hard to see from this plastic, so I'm gonna remove it. All right. So step on the brake. It's kind of hard from this lighting, but yeah. And then turn on. Ah, shit, that's clean, bro. Yes, sir. It's working. It is working. Look at that, bro. Sequential, right? Yes, sir. Damn. Hold on, hold this, and then hold this. I'll go press the brake.
Yeah.
But we have to remove that because there's another piece, right? To
Yeah.
put it. So
I'm just nervous. Like,
you don't want to yank it. That's the thing with these cars. You want to be delicate on some cheap products because it's a Honda.
it's got the clip
So
to
it
it.
has a clip too, so you're pretty much just gonna have to yank it. But at the same time, you don't want to yank it and it hits the spoiler. It better not be the part where you have to like remove the spoiler, bro. So looking at it more, you pretty much have to pry everything open. We have to remove this interior piece because there's like a 8 or a 10 millimeter that's holding these on the inside. So just gotta do hella extra work. And on top of removing that, I'm gonna put these all back. Jeez, bro. Some taillights. But it's pretty worth it because look, this already makes the car look so much better. So we were just supposed to gut a little bit, but we didn't want to have a hard time. So we just took out the whole thing. Just a couple screws and just yanking everything out. But I believe we have to unscrew, which ones? I already forgot. It's one of these.
I think it's like in here somewhere.
Or it's like, there's like one in here. Oh yeah. So one in there. So we just gotta yank that out, and then just unplug this one, and I think we should be good. So we took that out, and then putting the new one in, we came to realize there's not even a plug. So to make this sequential, you gotta do it yourself. You spend this much money on something that you're gonna have to spend more money in, which is kind of stupid. But I mean, it's for looks, I guess. All right. So that's okay. We got both of them installed, both sides, and it's actually really good. Damn, look at that. This should probably be the thumbnail. Yeah. So let's test fit it. I actually fuck with it, bro.
Yeah, that's
I'm not even gonna lie, I really fuck with it. I'm so glad we got it, bro. Oh my god. Are you gonna put there's like a logo of the Carouse design? Hey, that is clean, bro. What the fuck? It actually pops out more with your chameleon wrap.
So
holy
I have to
shit.
make sure.
Bro, look at this wrap that he has. So tell me why, guys. This motherfucker doesn't want to wrap the whole car like this. But look, it's purple, and then the more I just turn, it just...
It already has, bro. I don't want to be like that.
Bro. He doesn't want to be unique, but he's already unique. Come on.
I am unique.
Come on, bro.
It's the little details that matter, bro.
Right. This is so fucking clean, bro. You got this, and you got this. You know the only thing you're missing, bro? A fucking car wash.
Get over there and wash my car.
Hey, this makes our spoiler look so much more meaner, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's, bro, we're fucking installing this shit right now. And we gotta install that shit to my car for sure. It's not gonna be as nice as Shane's, but dude. Yeah, it's actually a nice logo, you know? But I don't know where you put it. I think we put it up here. Or probably right here. But damn. Probably like in here, right?
No, like on the top. Like
yeah, like probably.
So people can see it.
I don't know, but yep, putting it on right now. And we better put it on my car for sure. Sheesh. Happy for Shane. Making his car much nicer. So we just put the double-sided 3M tape, and we were told from the instructions that this is it. I always thought there was probably another one, but we'll see. We'll test it out. Hopefully it'll hold up. That gurney flap doesn't fucking fly out, bro. If that shit flies, I really hope it doesn't hit my car instead, because I'm gonna be behind you. So.
Alright, ready for this? The only clean part of
The only clean part of his car is literally just the gurney flap. Everything else is hella dirty.
I got spider webs.
I know. Clean, bro. Fits the wings so perfectly. So finally finishing Shane's. Fucking clean. With his Mugen tails. We did mine's like literally in what, 5 minutes? Bro, mine looks fucking clean too. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my fucking god, bro. Look at this angle. Oh. Man, why am I not modifying this car that much? Dude. This gurney flap, man. Took like a month to get here. Fucking worth it. Makes the car look so much more aggressive. It's like it kind of looks stock, but it's not stock at the same time. It just fits the color scheme of the car as well as his. But man, oh man, fuck yeah, that is so aggressive. Dude, his car looks so aggressive. Oh my god, look at this. Holy shit. Damn, bruh. Sequential lights too on here. I ain't gonna lie, his car looks clean from over here, but once you get closer, for sure dirty. There you go. And that is it for the video, guys. Kind of quick. I was more excited to show off Shane's Mugen tails, and pretty much this gurney flap makes the car look 10 times better. And not just my car, Shane's car, and it was really such an easy install. It was literally just the Mugen taillights. I mean, it's an expensive piece. You always want to be careful with it. You don't want to mess it up. So we just took the extra route of just being careful. So that's why it took a little longer. We ended up going to Wingstop and just ate. But that was pretty much it. I mean, it was a pretty chill day. I just got off work, as you can tell. I mean, that's, if you guys wondering how I could even afford all these cars, this is the main reason why. So I mean, it's it's a blessing, man. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, hit that subscribe button, as well as give this video a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. On my way to that 2,000 subscribers, and I know that we can do it. I just gotta be motivated as well by spending more money to mod my car to make money, if that makes sense. But finally glad to put something on this Type R again. I felt like I have not modded this car in months, and I mean, I got kind of sidetracked buying the M3. Like, look, I'm literally just sitting in my fucking driveway and just staring at it. Like, it's still so surreal, like, that this M3 is literally just chilling here waiting for me to just drive it whenever. Because before, it was like literally at the dealership. Just the moment that people enter the dealership, that's the car at a Honda. So I don't know, but I mean, I'm glad I get to stare at it in my own driveway instead of going to the dealership. So life's a full blessing, man. Just gotta, like I said, you gotta take advantage of every opportunity that you get and just remain humble, you know. Continue to work hard. Even if you achieve something, continue to work hard. That's literally all I can say, because the more that you do that, the more it's rewarding. And just never settle down, never settle for less, and always just try to find new ways to make it as far as you can, you know, because there's so many possibilities every single day for you to get better. And to be honest, sometimes I gotta take my own advice. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, I'll catch you guys in the next one.